Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today in this video I will show you how to get USTC in xDefi wallet. Now USTC is exactly the same coin as UST it was before, and yeah, so how you can get it, you obviously need to set up your DeFi wallet. If you haven't, make sure to set it up. Now go here to your xDefi wallet, and here as you can see you can go and you can type in USTC, right? Now here you have USTC, you can click on it, and here you can send, receive, or buy USTC, which is Terra Classic stablecoin, right? Now we can click buy, we can receive, or we can send our USTC through xDefi wallet. Again, you have, this is multi-chain wallet, you have a lot of different wallets or a lot of different coins right here, not wallets, that you can go through. And as you can see, you also have Solana as well, which is pretty awesome. So that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.